In today's video, I'm going to reveal 2 of the best niches ever discussed on YouTube. Currently, I have 5 subscribers, and I want to thank each one of you with this special video. Let's dive into it. The first niche is the health niche. The RPM revenue per mil for the health niche is around $10 to $20, making it an absolute gold mine. Let me share one of my creations in this niche to inspire you.
7 things you can do today to slow down aging. Eat a bowl of blueberries. Drink a glass of lemon water. Rub ice on your face for 1 minute. Stimulate your brain through reading, problem solving, or learning a new skill. Take natural supplements that have been proven to reduce aging, such as omega-3, vitamin D, or moringa. Avoid eating refined sugars. Protect your skin from sun damage. If nature didn't make it, don't take it.
Moving on to the second niche, it's the animal niche. The RPM for this niche ranges from $9 to $25, which also makes it highly profitable. I started my animal niche channel about 6 months ago, and it has already grown to 680,000 subscribers. One of the videos on this channel has over 92 million views, which is absolutely insane. From ad revenue alone, I've earned up to $1 million from this channel. You can leverage these niches to create content for both YouTube and TikTok. I've mentioned these channels on my homepage, so feel free to check them out and subscribe if you find the content valuable. Don't forget to like this video. If you'd like a tutorial on how to create content for these 2 niches, comment the word health and I'll make a video covering those topics just for you. Thank you, and see you in the next video.